Welcome back to Digging In, where we explore how to leave significant impact on the youth and young adults that we work hard to teach.
Hi brothers and sisters, this is Neil Jepson. Today we're going to provide you with the logistical instructions on how to access the learning assessment, how to give it to your students, how to make sure that they have a meaningful experience. But above all, we want you to remember that in all the instructions we're about to provide you, which by the way are all in the notes below, we want you to recognize that we want this to be a meaningful experience for your students, where they're able to confirm the truths that they've learned, be reminded that those around them also believe in them and know them, and bear testimony about them. When we review with students the learning assessment, we don't want to be like number 1 is A, number 2 is C, number 3 is B. We want it to be a meaningful conversation. Seminary is designed to help students learn and take in truth, and the learning assessment is an opportunity for you to confirm that that's happening, but also for them to confirm in their own hearts that it's happening. The learning assessment can be one of the very best days in seminary. So please explore the notes below. Make sure that you look through all of the links that you need in order to learn how to access the learning assessment, how to make sure that you can give it to them via online so that they can do it on their mobile devices. And how about those students that don't have a mobile device or that don't have an LDS account? We provided instructions to you on how to make sure that all of your students will have access to the learning assessment. Just check the notes out below. But above all things, keep it meaningful. Thanks, brothers and sisters. We'll see you next time.